Question number 5. The mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively. On checking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect. Calculate mean and standard deviation in each of the following cases. Number 1, if wrong item is omitted. Second one is if it is replaced by 12. Solution. Since number of observations n is equal to 20 and incorrect mean is equal to 10, therefore sigma xi I is equal to 1 to 20 divided by 20, that is the mean, is equal to 10. By cross multiplication, we will get sum of 20 observations is equal to 10 into 20 is equal to 200. If observation 8 is omitted, then sum of 19 observations is equal to 200 minus 8 is equal to 192. So we have to find a mean of 19 observations. That is the correct mean. Therefore, correct mean is equal to sigma xi I is equal to 1 to 19 divided by 19 is equal to 192 divided by 19. Yes, try to simplify. That is 10.1053 can be taken as 10.1. Since standard deviation is equal to 2, therefore variance is equal to 4. What is the formula for finding variance? Sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 20 divided by 20 minus square of mean is equal to 4. That's what they have given. Implies sigma xi square divided by 20 is equal to 4 plus square of mean is equal to 4 plus 100 is equal to 104. Therefore, sum of squares of 20 observations, that is equal to 20 into 104 by cross multiplication is equal to 2080. Since observation 8 is to be omitted, so here we are finding a sum of squares of observations. So we are supposed to subtract 8 square. Therefore, sum of squares of 19 observations is equal to 2080 minus 8 square is equal to 2080 minus 64 is equal to 2016. Hence, correct standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 90 divided by 19 minus square of correct mean is equal to square root of 2016 divided by 19 minus 10.1053 whole square. Try to simplify. It may take a little bit time. Is equal to square root of 106.1053 minus 102.1171, because square of 10.1053 is 102.11709 is equal to square root of 3.9882. Try to find the square root by division method. Is equal to 1.997. Second case. Since incorrect mean is equal to 10, therefore sum of 20 observations divided by 20 is equal to 10. This implies sum of 20 observations is equal to 200. Since observation 8 is replaced by 12, therefore correct sum is equal to 200 plus 12 minus 8 is equal to 204. Therefore, correct mean is equal to correct sum divided by 20 is equal to 204 divided by 20 is equal to 10.2. Since standard deviation is equal to 2, therefore variance is equal to 4, implies sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 20 divided by 20 minus square of mean is equal to 4. Implies sigma xi square divided by 20 is equal to 4 plus square of mean is equal to 4 plus 100 is equal to 104. By cross multiplication, sum of squares of 20 observations is equal to 104 into 20 is equal to 2080. Since observation 8 is replaced by 12, therefore correct sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 20 is equal to 2080 plus 12 square minus 8 square is equal to 2080 plus 144 minus 64 is equal to 2160. Hence, correct standard deviation is equal to square root of correct sum of squares of 20 observations divided by 20 minus square of correct mean is equal to 2160 divided by 20 minus 10.2 square. What is the simplification? Square root of 108 minus 104.04 is equal to square root of 3.96. Try to find the square root of 3.96 by division method is equal to 1.989, that is 1.99. Sixth question. The mean and standard deviation of marks obtained by 50 students of a class in 3 subjects, mathematics, physics and chemistry are given below. Mean of mathematics 42, physics 32, chemistry 40.9 respectively, and standard deviation 12, 15, 20. Which of the 3 subjects shows the highest variability in marks and which shows the lowest? So, what we supposed to find? We supposed to find the covariance of all the 3 subjects. Solution. Solution. CV of mathematics is equal to SD into 100 divided by mean is equal to 12 into 100 divided by 42. What is the simplification? 28.57. CV of physics is equal to SD into 100 divided by mean is equal to 15 into 100 divided by 32 is equal to 46.88. CV of chemistry is equal to 20 into 100 divided by 40.9 is equal to 48.9. Since 28.57 is less than 46.88 is less than 48.9, therefore chemistry marks have highest variability and mathematics marks have lowest variability. Question number 7. The mean and standard deviation of a group of 100 observations were found to be 20 and 3 respectively. Later on, it was found that 3 observations were incorrect, which were recorded as 21, 21 and 18. Find the mean and standard deviation if the incorrect observations were omitted. Solution. Since number of observations n is equal to 100, incorrect mean is equal to 20 and incorrect standard deviation is equal to 3. Therefore, sum of 100 observation divided by 100 is equal to 20. This implies sum of 100 observations is equal to 20 into 100, 2000. Since observation 21, 21 and 18 is to be omitted, therefore sum of 97 observations is equal to 2000 minus 21 minus 21 minus 18. Yes. What is the simplification? 1940. Therefore, correct mean is equal to sum of 97 observations divided by 97 is equal to 1940 divided by 97. Try to divide. That is 20. Since standard deviation is equal to 3, therefore variance is equal to 9. Implies sum of squares of 100 observations divided by 100 minus square of mean is equal to 9. This is the formula. Implies sum of squares of 100 observations divided by 100 is equal to 9 plus square of mean is equal to 9 plus 400 is equal to 409. Implies sum of squares of 100 observations is equal to 409 into 100 is equal to 40,900. Since observations 21, 21 and 18 is to be omitted, therefore sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 97 is equal to 40,900 minus 21 square minus 21 square minus 18 square is equal to 40,900 minus 441 minus 441 minus 324. Yes, simplification is 39,694. Hence, correct standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma xi square I is equal to 1 to 97 divided by 97 minus square of mean is equal to square root of 39,694 divided by 97 minus 400 is equal to square root of 39,694 minus 38,800 divided by 97. is equal to square root of 894 divided by 97 is equal to square root of 9.22. Try to find square root of 9.22, that is 3.036.